welcome to Manage Casa. Manage Casa is a tenant portal that is a central location for accessing all your rental information. We will review the dashboard in its entirety. The current balance. This is shown on your lease amount. As Manage Casa has no connection to payments, we zero out the balance owing at the beginning of each month. Recent payments is not used, nor is payment method or e-voting or the rental application. The upload files can be used to place your lease and any other relevant information. My contact information is where your email and phone number are kept, and by clicking on the edit button, you'll be able to update it so it is accurate. The lease summary will contain the start and end date of your lease along with the rental amount. The message section relates to any maintenance jobs. When any correspondence happens about a job, by using messages, all the relevant data, including pictures and conversations, are kept in one place. Please note that email and text messages are still necessary for all correspondence outside of a maintenance ticket. Let's review on how to create a maintenance ticket. When you choose property, you will only have the property that you belong to, whether it be building or the location, and then you're going to have your unit. So we'd ask you to click on the unit. Title, what we would ask is that the unit is put in as the very first thing so that it allows us to search as we hand this out to the correct technicians. And then we'd ask you to put down what the issue is. So you could say kitchen sink drain is leaking. So then we know where it is and what it is. And then in this case, if you can say, well, I know it's plumbing, you can do that. Or you can follow through. There's a lot of different categories that are in here, from inside, outside, and then whether it's appliance related or HVAC. You can do repair, and then it gives you different things on a particular repair. We're going to hit repair plumbing, and in the description, what we'd like you to do is say, again, what the issue is. The kitchen sink is leaking and the person has done something in order to mitigate any further issues down the road, which is great. And then anything that's photo related, we would ask you to put in there. At this point, you would just hit save, and then it will show up on your maintenance tile, and there it is. This shows our dashboard related to PM1. We would see this is the issue. And then what we can do is we can do further with the messages, and I'm going to create a message, and I'm just going to put that down to John Doe, the tenant, and just say, so then we can ask them a question about that particular issue. And then when we send the message, this is what we would see, the message related to that particular maintenance request. Back over on John Doe's page, you would see that there is another message there. They can click on it, and then John Doe can write back and say, so then this will give us a connection on what is happening with this particular work order. And back on our work order that we would receive, there we see that the message from John, it's from the P-trap. So that's what would come to us. So this gives you an idea of how the work order is generated and how messages work. So this gives you an overview of the Manage Casa tenant portal, and the main use again is for generating maintenance tickets, how we can correspond back and forth with messages. You can upload your lease and any other pertinent information, and understanding that your contact information can be updated here. And this would allow you within the current balance and the lease summary to ensure what your lease amount is. Thank you for watching this short video.
If you have any other questions, just reach out to us and let us know.